Okay, we're downtown, Boulder Dam Hotel, historic hotel, museum. Look down here, they're having some kind of a event today. This is the square. Boulder Dam, Boulder City, Boulder City. You can do anything here. Looks like they're having a street festival, huh? Saturday in May. Beautiful day. Only going to be 93 today, maybe 94. Now we're in the Boulder City Historic District. Whatever that means. It's a little map, a little guide. Anyway, we'll let Vegas Active Travel Guide guide you to your fun. All the old historic neighborhoods.